Alright, the high score is 45,000. I think last time it was 60, so I don't know. Still,
come on up,
pretty
let's
sure it's
get it.
impossible, but we'll try. Robert will try.
You can do it! Bonus challenge!
Not enough balls. Oh my god, only like
Keep it
4
up.
balls.
I can't believe it! Wow, nice shot! 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, he got
Give it another shot.
23,000.
I can do better though.
Okay, what's my turn?
Oh,
I'm gonna... Robert, you gotta record.
You're giving me 1,000 tickets.
Take your... No, you got... Okay, just hold
What do I gotta do?
You guys hold it looking right there. That's all you gotta do. Just hold it like that.
Who's next to win the Pixel Challenge?
Can I beat my husband?
What's your timer?
Okay. Oh,
You can do it!
Red.
Hurry up!
This is going well.
oh my god!
It's easy, isn't it? It's very easy.
It's so easy.
I know. Anybody can do it.
This is why my husband is awesome and I'm terrible.
Red.
Hurry up!
Hit something that's square. Shoot for the squares.
5. Amazing! 3, 2, 1.
Alright, that's not easy at all.
Hurry up! Come on, show your
90,
skill!
98. He got 23. He makes it look easy. You make it look easy. You gotta wait till it gives me my 10 tickets. Okay, this is not the most profitable game.
Take the challenge and catch the pixel! You can do it! Bonus event!
What do I hear voices?
Wow, keep it up! I can't believe it!
More balls.
Awesome! 4, 3, 2,
Oh, I took out my ball.
Hurry up!
I'm gonna try one more.
Come on, show your
Is there
talent!
somebody behind us?
He was walking
I
around.
heard some guy talking. I was like,
No, just someone walking. So I think there is a method. You seem to get the bonus round a lot quicker than I did.
Yeah.
I was waiting to see if it would give it to you again. So there must be a method on when it gives you the bonus round. So he got 30 tickets. So again, not the most ticket game, but still a lot of fun. So
Come on up,
$1.31
let's get it.
today. That's the baseball song, isn't it?
You can do it!
I can't.
Bonus event! Wow, keep it up! I can't believe it! Hurry up! Wow, keep it up! 3, 2, 1. Give it another shot.
I don't see a ball. Alright, so that's his best. 24,400. The problem with this game is the balls bounce everywhere. So that's a very hard game. Very hard game to win. But it's fun. Alright, he was right. He found that ball. It rolled under the Wizard of Oz machine.
Come on, let's get it!
Alright, one more time.
You can do it!
go. All right.
4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, that's his best so
Give
far.
it another shot.
Grab the ball.
Yeah, thank you.
26,900. Still, that's.
That's hard.
I think there's not enough balls. I really
No,
don't.
you run out of balls and then you're like, because I could keep throwing, but there ain't enough to throw.
That was good though. That's very
There's
good.
a lot of pauses.
And that gave him 46.
You're not going to hit every one of them. Close.
Oh, you did very good. Like that was really good. There's your tickets. All right, we're here cashing in our cards. The few cards that we have, Wizard of Oz. We did the barcodes like that.
I'm trying it the opposite way.
Tell me how that works out for you. Oh, and I almost lost our tokens. Who can get him in faster? Who can get him in faster?
Just watch your fingers.
All right, 255. Oh my God. Totally not the most profitable ticket game.
This was the most profitable right here.
That is the most profitable. All right, they have a couple new things. They have a new unicorn squishy, which I'm going to resist the urge because we would like that big arcade machine over there. But a couple new things. These Pac-Mans used to be in mystery bags. I don't know why they took them out of their bags.
Cars? What is that up there?
What are we talking about?
That thing up top. Is that a bunch of little cars?
It is. It is a whole box of like generic Hot Wheels.
You could do a lot of things with that.
You could do a lot of things with that. Totally. Alright, we're Space Invaders. We still got money left on the card. Robert's had enough.
I don't like that game. I like the old game.
So, yeah, I like the old game.
I like the old game.
So, yeah, we're hungry. We always don't eat before we go to an arcade, and then we leave because we're hungry. It's just, you think we'd learn by now, but we haven't. We are slow learners. So, but that was a lot of fun. We ended up winning like a little over 2,000 tickets. Some of the 13, I see. And then, so we're up to like 11,000.
The freak show's gone. I'm sorry, did I just say that?
Robert.
Right.
Robert's so judgmental. He's Judgy McJudgerson. Anyway.
It's like it was never here.
It was never here. Never here. It was a figment of your imagination.
Okay.
But I did get it on tape, so. Anyway, what was I saying? We got, I don't know.
Holding me for my...
You know, you can say, I believe in freedom of speech. You want to judge, you judge. I don't care.
Called it as I saw it.
Well, calling someone a weirdo is kind of
I didn't
judgmental.
say weirdo, I said freak.
Okay, I apologize. Is that not the same thing?
No.
Alright.
A freak show. People used to enjoy going to freak shows long ago. They paid to see people that were different.
Anyway, yeah. It's hot. Summer's finally here. So I did get a handful of cards, Wizard of Oz and Willy Wonka. Let's be honest, if you compare ticket value and money value, Dave & Buster's of course is a lot better. We only got like 2,500 tickets today. I think we spent like $40. At Dave & Buster's we probably would have got like 20,000 tickets with $40. So, but it's a different experience. I like Kokomo Joe's. Even though it was crowded today, it's still not as crowded as Dave & Buster's. And the main reason we like Kokomo Joe's is because they have Willy Wonka. Dave & Buster's does not have Willy Wonka. And we've kind of won every single prize at Dave & Buster's, so until they get new prizes, it's just not as fun. So don't get me wrong, I'm still going to Dave & Buster's.
I'm getting a second Roomba too.
And oh, he wants to cash his in for a second Roomba. We do love our Roomba. Our cats love our Roomba. It's pretty cool.
Cleaning it's a pain in the butt. That's all right.
Cleaning it is because, you know, I got long hair, so that means I shed worse than cats. So I do like Kokomo Joe's, don't get me wrong, but if you only have a limited amount of money to spend, go to Dave & Buster's. So anyway, it was fun. Even though there was lots of people, they just weren't playing games, because at Kokomo Joe's they also have escape rooms, and they have laser tag, which we really should do because we do enjoy laser tag.
It's a lot of fun.
And they have what, like a mini roller coaster, and then they also have, what are those cars you drive called?
What are you talking about?
Isn't there a roller coaster? That's Incredible Pizza.
Here?
Yes.
No roller coaster here.
What's in the back then? It's the cars?
I don't know what's in the back.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it's.
Okay, it's not a roller coaster. It's bumper cars.
I think it's race cars.
Race cars.
It's something with cars. I don't
Okay,
know.
forget it. We go straight.
We've never go-karts. See?
Go-karts. Go-karts. That's the word I was looking for. Anyway, it's 1 o'clock. We're gonna go eat at Freddy's. Freddy K's? Freddy's what?
Freddy's. Just Freddy's.
Freddy's. They don't have it. We don't have a Freddy's near our house, so it's kind of like Freddy's is like better than Steak and Shake. It's like a steak. It's like a Steak and Shake, but it's better.
And you don't have to worry
And they
about
have this fry sauce.
waitress is not giving you enough refills.
Oh yeah, this fry
Because
sauce.
they're too busy in the back talking.
That's oh my god.
I'm sorry.
My husband's on a roll today.
Yes, Every time we go, though, it's always the same thing. You always see a group of people talking about their lives, and my soda's half full, and I'm thirsty.
Steak and Shake has pretty bad customer service.
We need to just go up there and get our refills ourselves.
Yes.
That's why we quit going?
That's why we like Freddy's. You can make your own drinks.
I am angry. I'm sorry. I'm having an angry day. The
He
Blues,
says-
the
hey,
Blues
the
won
Blues
last night.
Why are you
The Blues
angry?
won last night, and they sucked. They still sucked. They couldn't score any goals past the first period. How are we going to beat the Boston Bruins if we get past the Sharks? How are we going to do it?
Rant.
How are we going to get past the Boston Bruins if we can't score a goal
not.
past the first period? And we continually ice the puck. Oh, I'm done.
You're
That's
done?
it.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
We got lucky.
We got.
If we win tomorrow, we'll be lucky. I'm done.
Deep Thoughts by Bob, my husband.
I'm not used to worrying about hockey when,
I know,
when in the middle of...
The Blues don't normally
Yeah.
make it this long. It's wearing us out mentally. Like last night, my blood pressure was through the roof. Oh my god, we're taking it too seriously.
I think we can beat the Sharks, but the
We
problem
just really
is
like the Blues.
is they better up their game because their power play
It's our
sucks.
competitive spirit. I mean, obviously we're competitive. We like arcades. He loves getting the jackpots. We want the Blues to do good. And when they don't do good, we
Even
take
if
it
they
personally.
win, to me, that's great to win. But to win because... don't start. To win only because the other team sucked worse than you, that's not much of a win. So
I do agree with
I'm
that.
just saying, they better up their game because there's bigger fish that are going to eat them if they don't.
Bigger
They better.
fish.
Bigger fish.
Bigger fish.
Bigger fish that are called Bruins.
Bruins. They're actually called bears.
That's all right. They're
The bears
Bruins.
will eat the fish.
Yes, they will.
So, anyway, I don't know if you could hear me earlier because the arcade was loud, but our local news station announced round 1 is coming to St. Louis. St. Louis has how many malls? 3? 3 malls?
I don't know actually.
3 or 4 malls? There's okay, at least 4 malls. Some of them are better than others. You had to go the wrong way. And round 1 is coming to the South County Mall. Totally not my favorite mall, but and it's kind of been like dead lately. So hopefully round 1 will bring more people in. It's not that far from our house.
No, it's
like
it's,
a 20
it's
minute
the area
drive.
I used to grow up at the area.
20, 25 minute drive. So I am excited. Round 1 is definitely the more expensive out of all the arcade chains, but round 1 also has way more machines that you don't find everywhere else. And if you watch the Arcade Couple this week, they had a video showing like all these new machines that I've never seen before from Japan. It's just exciting. So usually what round 1 does, I've seen this in 2 other places, like when they come to a mall, they don't build their own building. They use a pre-existing, like one, you know how like malls always have the in-stores, like the department stores, like Sears, JCPenney, etc. Well, you know, Sears went out of business, so they're probably going to utilize the Sears building and turn that into a round 1, which would be nice because they could probably get it open within a month, as opposed to building, which I don't see how they would be able to build onto a pre-existing mall. So I'm assuming they're just going to utilize one of the empty stores, which would be awesome. So I will be at that round 1, even though it is expensive, but they also have good prices. They do have good prices, so we'll see. I can't resist. So Anyway, stay tuned. Hopefully within the next couple months, I'll start having more round 1 videos. And that's all. Thanks for watching. And that's it. I don't know.
Sorry for being a crab.
Sorry my husband's a crab, but that's okay. I love it about him. He's my little grumpy bear. You're my little grumpy bear. My husband's gonna kill me. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.